Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up Quick Share on Nothing Phone 3. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to go to network and internet and then click on SIMs. Then click on eSIM and click here to enable your eSIM and then click enable. Now click on add eSIM and then click on setup an eSIM and you have to scan your QR code. Then click setup and here you have to enter your verification code. Then click finish, and as you can see my eSIM is now enabled. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.